Congratulations. This place is a heaven on earth. And it is called Wonderful Edifice. Edifice where you put a wall. All painting white painting. Oh yeah, edifice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have really made us proud.
Yes.
Alright, our people, as you can see, this is Chief Imo and the CEO of Joeevilla Hotel. Also, Bolokaino Bompo.
Yes.
I know free home because that's only home. So we came for something around Osobolo. So therefore, I decided to say hello, and the hello, or the hello for. So I now decided to hello myself into one of the rooms. Some nail bed, come here. But I come name, make a hello. You should be to form here near the one lorry. Well, I'll tell you, get a talk with you with a mammy. But I can't tell them, even I don't want to bath because I'm on nail bed, the other Casanama. You need a water bed for me. Hey! Oh my God. So please, we want you to come around anytime you are around Osobolo, Newi, Oba, Anambra State, Imo State. You can easily drive or drove into Joeevilla Hotel. You can on Nza Osobolo. You better tell Nza. Kijohana Joeevilla. All a different, paternity is different from all paternity. So therefore, this is Chief Imo and we'll continue to patronize our Igbo brothers because I na Bali, Asakurulu, Webo Sinkano, Nabani, Konkao, na Igbo. So in London, so in America, you don't have anything at home. You will get a kind you. So therefore, bring your wealth home, like we said yesterday. When you bring your wealth home, your wealth will speak for you. When you wine on your room. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey.
Oh, yeah,